Hey guys, it's me, DC, and welcome back to my channel. And so, our video for today is we're gonna do the power of makeup. So, power makeup is I gonna make up the half of my face in my right side, and the other one here is no makeup. So, let's get started, guys. So guys, first let's apply a primer in our face to moisturize our skin. So guys, I'm using the Shawel Perfect Face Primer. So we're gonna do in the right side, just the right side, guys. So guys, let's wait several minutes to moisturize our face. So my face has been moisturized, and so let's apply a foundation. So I'm using the Fit Me 120 Classic Ivory. I don't think this is my shade now because I'm getting white. So let's apply it. So I put a lot of foundation in my wrist. So let's tap our beauty blender, and so let's start applying in my face. Let me see in my mirror because camera's telling lies again. Okay. So let's apply a concealer. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Tint Light. So I'm gonna put it here. Let's put it more, yo. Here, in my nose, this part, and this. So let's blend. This is Johnson baby powder, and you can use it as a setting powder, so why not? I have seen many people doing this. Okay, it's like a loose powder, yo. See, dab 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 here. That's too much, yo. Oh, it's too much, too much, too much. Okay. So let's blend. Speaking of, I have a brush of that. So it looks like it's under the case. Oh my god, it's hard, yo. So I'm gonna use this later. So now it looks kinda dirty, or there's a big difference, yo. See here, so very white and clean, and this part, okay. You know, the reality sucks, yo. So everyone can wear makeup, even you're a girl or a boy or part of LGBT, or you're old or you're young. Everyone, there's no rules in makeup, just like NikkieTutorials said. So let's do our shadow, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Berry Burst. This is new because my tita sent me this. Us, yo. Like, I'm gonna go with the shade pink. This shade. So let's use brush. Brush. Focal your brush, yo. Okay. So let's put in here in our crease. Oh, that's pigmented. I'm just gonna put a lot to make it work. Okay, so that's our crease, and so let's go to the full color sunrise palette. So these have shades, so many shades in this 16 color, and it has many shimmer shade and matte. So let's go into the punch pink. I think it's the same shade, but it's not the same palette. Yeah, that's what I said. It's almost same shade, so let's put a different shade, you guys. So let's use a concealer, the top part in here. So later, let's blend it. Blend, blend, blend. Oh my god. Yeah. That's okay. So let's use the shade Lavender Field. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. See? Let's blend, blend, blend. Okay, so we're gonna get the shade and put more in here. We blend. Yep, make it more. So let's use shimmer one. Champagne, the shade of champagne. Let's put it here. Yes. Yep. Huh. I really like it. So, yeah. I really like it, you guys. Let's put eyeshadow in our crease. So I'm gonna go with shade here. Wait. Oh, this is red. No, let's not wear that, yo. Let's use the tender light. So yeah, it's done. Our eyes is done. So, not yet. We don't have mascara yet. So let's apply our mascara. This Hyper Curl from Maybelline, New York. So let's apply our mascara, yo. Hope it doesn't fall. So let's go with the blush. Blush. So I have here this Color blush in the shade BO2 Smashing. So this is very pigmented, guys, so be careful. And let's put it here. So lastly, not the last, let's use the lipstick. This is Kylie Jenner lipstick. I don't know what shade it is, as my titas just sent it to me. So let's put it in lips. So now we are done. This is a setting spray from Olay Mist. So this is very energizing. So let's spray. Woo. Woo. Oh my god, that looks gorgeous. Oh guys, I never knew that this was a perfect spot. I don't really need a chair, I just need a floor. So guys, I just apply blush in here to look more pigmented. So guys, we are done. Don't forget to give a thumbs up in this video and comment what you think, and share these videos to your friends, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos, guys. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love ya.